Hello there! Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this beautiful chibi froggy. You need only a safety eye and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the next video. So let's get started! I use for realize this froggy 10mm crochet hook because I use this type of yarn only for make the sample froggy. So in the first round or round 0 we can start with 9 single crochets in the magic ring. In the round 1 we make 9 increases. In the last single crochet of the last increase, we don't close the work with the same yarn, but we are going to change the color with the body, with the color of the body. I use this blue yarn, but you can use wherever you prefer, and make the last single crochet. Now we start the round 2 with 2 single crochet and 1 increase for 5 times. And at the end of these 5 times we left 3 single crochet because we are going to create the first puff of our froggy. Here we are. Now we are going to make the last increase of 5 and now create 2 chains, and then from the second chain from the hook we create 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet in the base of the original single crochet. And then we are going to make the last 2 single crochet and 1 increase. And that's it, your first puff is done. So now start with the round 3 and we're going to make 3 single crochet. In the beginning 3 single crochet and the puff. Using the pattern of before, so two chains, 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet. 4 single crochet in the next 4 single crochet. another puff point, so 2 chains, 1 double crochet from the second chain from the hook, and 1 half double crochet. Nine single crochet, and then the last puff. As before, 2 chains, 1 double crochet in the second chain from the hook, and 1 half double crochet in the base of our single crochet. And for close our round, we are going to make 8 single crochet, skipping entirely the first puff. So we are going to make 4 single crochet on the right and 4 single crochet on the left. Now we start the round 4, making 9 single crochet in the beginning. So we're going to make first 3 single crochet until the first puff. 1, 2, and 3. Skip the puffs and make 4 single crochet. Skip the puff again and make another 2 single crochet for a total the 9 single crochet from the stitch marker. Now we create the first eye and we make a bubble stitch with 4 double crochet. Three single crochet, and another eye, another bubble stitch as before. And then we're going to close the work with the 10 single crochet. So 2 single crochet after the eye, skip the puff, and continue with 8 single crochet until the stitch marker. This is the front of our froggy, and you can add here the safety eye or the eye as you prefer. You can use the safety eye, the yarn, or whatever you prefer. I use this one. A little bit small for this yarn for this pattern, but it's the biggest size that I had, so I use this only for the example to show you. Here we are. Now we are going to create one round with only 24 single crochet. And that's it. Here we are. For the round 6, we make 2 single crochet and 1 decrease for 6 times until we have 18 single crochet. Here we are in our round 7, and we are going to make 1 single crochet and 1 decrease for 6 times until we have 12 single crochet. And now is the time to filling the body with our fiber fill. Now, in the last round, we are going to close our work making 6 decreases until we have 6 single crochet. At the end of the last round, we close the work. And this is the result. Our CHUBBY froggy is done. I hope my English was good in this tutorial because I'm Italian, and tell me if you have any questions on the comment below. I answer you in any case. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for don't miss my next video. Thank you.